Today, we'll be reviewing the IvittyPet dog grooming kit and pet hair vacuum. My pets are all fairly comfortable with this hair vacuum kit and just sort of deal with it in the best way manageable. This kit is low volume and fairly easy to use, depending on your animal, of course. The vacuum overall makes it quicker and cleaner. I can't believe the amount of hair this vacuum is picking up. This vacuum grooming kit is especially helpful for removing the cat's mats. And it allows us to remove the hair from the brush single-handedly while grooming is taking place. Not perfect, but better than where we started. And we still have a happy cat. After the grooming, we can take the brush and just pick up the hair from the carpet. So easy. This is the IvittyPet dog grooming kit and pet hair vacuum. Love this kit. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.